Namaskar. मैं Sadhuram Khatioda, students of Kathmandu University. Now I'm doing post-graduation from Kathmandu University in STEM education. This STEM education course is very fruitful for me. It is a new course. It is very, very useful for further generation. Today I'm going to explain the lesson studies. Okay, let's start. I want to share my screen. Okay. Yeah, lesson studies. Lesson studies. Today I'm going to explain about the blood donation. The lesson is blood donation. This lesson is designing under the base of 3CR, connect, concept, and context. This lesson is under the STEAM approach. Subject is social services, great social responsibility and responsible person. Lesson theme blood donation, and it's related with the sub theme is patient. Total time and duration of this course is lesson is 10 days, 2 hours per day. This lesson is designed for the sociable peoples. And as per STEAM approach, socials responsible persons, they have realities inquiry, brainstorming, organization designing, creative thinking, and logical pattern. Uh, just I want to Today I want to explain in short. In next video I'll go in brief. For these lessons there are some requirement how to why and how we learn this lesson blood donation, and what are these advantages and what are disadvantages, what are the required materials to learn these lessons, which I am going to explain now. Accordingly, there are some major learning outcomes from society. After learning this blood donation chapter, uh, people will be able to identify different types of patients affected by different diseases noticed by national health associations, connecting situational different conditions of public will be able to confidently develop their sense of help to sharing and donating as per their efficiency together in a return form and share it with social group. Next one is the social peoples will be able to motivate with each other, and they will say, spread awareness to others or help. They are they need some soft is they are required some soft skills are here. In case of public, it's related with public. This course lesson is completely related with public. That's why public uh, must have communication skills, meeting organization, personal responsibilities, and teamwork, as well as time management. They have to manage time for social uh, peoples also, not only self. Accordingly, the required materials for this lesson studies are data collection tools, brainstorming, health education materials, video presentation. Uh, these three shared concepts are I'm going to tell in short. Connect is related with some issues. There are some prior learning activities to create prior learning knowledge. There are some issues which is related with connect. Why donate blood? There are some, they raise some questions. The social peoples uh, and anyone can raise questions. Why we donate blood? Some issues are why donate we blood, who to donate blood to, what types of patients need more blood, how many patients are there who really need blood, what is the number of peoples who are able and unable to donate blood, and how to how to prepare list of eligible peoples to donate blood. First of all, we have to make some issues. And reading materials, I just collect some data from different sources at the period of pandemic COVID-19. These charts also need to explain and provide to the social peoples. And there are some blood grouping charts. Uh, Social people also can read. We are explaining the uh, explaining by these charts according to this blood group O plus, A plus, B plus, O plus, A minus, O minus, AB plus, B minus, and AB minus. From these charts, the types of persons, those who have this group blood, they can donate accordingly. And the benefits also provided here. If one person's have O positive blood, this O positive blood can vote for three peoples. Similarly, if I have AB minus blood group. If I donate from one person, my blood can offer 100 persons, my blood cells. Okay. After then, in this blood donation lessons, we have to brainstorming with each other. These are some points. Step by step, we have to discuss in our society. And reading materials, also health education materials, booklet, brochure, we have to distribute, and we have to design some booklet and brochures to distribute the social peoples for awareness. And uh, if they are or they are um, motivational way to donate blood. We can also present some videos to awareness the social peoples to donation donate of blood. And the health benefits of donating blood are anti-cancer benefits. Blood donations help in lowering the risk of cancer, maintains health, heart and liver, stimulates blood cells productions, psychological benefits, develop a positive thought, iron control in body. These are the benefits after donating blood. Hmm. Okay. The persons, those who are unable to donate blood, just I mentioned here, anyone cannot donate the blood due to some reasons, which I mentioned here. If those who have cancer, cardiac diseases, several different types of diseases, and just I mentioned here, high risk occupations, these types of persons are unable to donate. And the concept for this chapter is mm, we get knowledge from concept, showing different types of pictures and videos related with the diseases, group meeting, showing with history of transformer diseases, and story of patient. The main point is three. The patient, those who are single persons earning for the family, and now he is sick, and there are no one to take care of his family. Really, that types of persons need blood. And collect. Next point is collect different pictures and videos of patient for group discussions and context. In this chapter, in this lesson studies blood donations, the context uh, the context is multi-subject connection, awareness, public awareness by informing through the news to avoid pandemic. Just a reflect, presenting the daily analytical report by group discussions, by video, by news, by social medias, etc. And home assignment, 1 hour is day. We have to do some tasks for this lesson studies implementation in social. First day, we have to discuss with our group, and the second day, dividing group and their tasks, responsibilities, and group visit in hospital, data collections of patient or blood required group, required blood group, and collection of health education materials, group meeting for implementation, And next one is blood donation. After we are able to donate the blood, and donors observation feedback. After donating, we have to observe the person, those what is the feedback, and blood pressure, and some feedback we have to take from donors. Group discussions of achievement and public awareness. Some after this discussion, we are going to implement the blood donation in our society. These are the modified lesson plan and studies planned. The designing thinking process using three as head, hands, and heart ways. Further implementation for action plan and blood donation. Annex 1, stakeholders brainstorming, group discussion. Similarly, I just mentioned here some annex for the implementation of this blood donation. The connection with the head, it's in our knowledge. Connection always information, fact, and the head is connecting with knowledge. Knowledge can solve any types of problem within a minute. If there is any huge problems, if we have proper knowledge, we can solve within a minute. The sources of knowledge are subject and context knowledge, cognitive knowledge, pedagogical knowledge, and technological knowledge. These are some knowledge, and some I want to go in short, just here as per concept and also design creating as per the connect of the topic, hence refer to actual design and delivers related to the context. There are some activities we have to do these activities accordingly as per this lesson blood donation, and accordingly after in this lesson studies for this blood donation, we need to take some feedback as per difference group, and here we made some solutions and we take some feedback from two groups, first and seconds, and the best one is we choose best one for implement. And context compare with heart, our heart. The mind gives inspiration to do some work that brain has planned. And what are the benefits of donating blood? And these are the benefits I mentioned here. Just like the donate, if we donate blood, it helps save the lives of people who have lost a lot of blood due to some illness or accident. They really need blood emergency case, and immediately they need blood. At that time, if we donate blood, they they will be alive. They can survive for a long time. And blood donate. And next point is blood enhance the health conditions of such peoples and helps them in overcoming their critical situation. The blood donations gesture contributes to society as well. Similarly, I mentioned here some benefits after doing donation blood, and finally we are able to implement our tags according to lesson studies. As per the solution and feedback two, applying for the plan to implementation learning and giving knowledge through emotional art to reduce problem through knowledge by brain is focusing on the subject and creating art related to the object as developing educational materials for blood donations. As per feedback two, we are able to implement our tags according to lesson studies. End of the at last reflections from these lessons is those who donate blood many times the nations awarded to them. We have to motivate them and need to award it them. Okay, thank you very much for today class. In next class, I will go in details according to the lesson studies. Okay, thank you.